Hi there, Pete Mealbrunner, AHI Consulting here on a roof, on a house that has been flipped. The roof is a steep roof. Uh, Often would not climb this roof, although in this case we had a pretty easy access point, which I'll show you in a minute. But you can see newer material. It is a second layer, so the only way you'd really know this is a second layer is by being able to get to the edge of it, which I can from my ladder and at this dormer to determine the number of layers. But overall, nice surface. Getting on the roof whenever possible and safe is always the best option. So keep that in mind when you're having the inspection done. Talk to the inspector about the method of inspecting the roof and make sure they do the work. If they can get on it, get on it. If they have to inspect it by a drone or a combination of both, make sure that the work is done.